Hello everyone, in this episode of Basic Essentials series I'm going to show you how to use trigger volumes in Unreal Engine 5. First, to add trigger volume, for example trigger box, from this section I search for trigger, and as you can see there are different type of trigger volumes such as trigger box, trigger sphere, capsule and others, but now I want to use trigger box. Okay, now the trigger box is added to my level, and here from this section I can change the scale, so I increase the scale to 5, and by default if you run the game this trigger box is hidden, and for unhiding it you can search here for hidden and uncheck the actor hidden in game, and if I run the game again, as you can see now the trigger box is visible in the game. Now I want to add some events or functions to this trigger box. Okay, now first I make sure that trigger box is selected, then I open level blueprint from here. Open level blueprint. Okay, and now if I right click, as you can see I can add event for trigger box or functions. I can call functions on trigger box. Here from collision section I add a on actor begin overlap event, and I also add an on actor begin on actor end overlap event. Alright, now I cast to my character blueprint. In this case it is third person character BP underscore third person character. I connect object to the other actor. Now I add a print string node, and here I write enter. Okay, and for actor end overlap I copy and paste these nodes here, and I change this to leaf and set color to the red. Okay, now I compile and run the game. As you can see, as my character enters this value, and when my character enters, the enter message is shown on the screen, and as I leave the box, leave message is shown on the screen. Alright, you can use these trigger volumes in many cases for your game, and you can bind any logic or function to these trigger volumes. If this tutorial was useful for you, please like this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.